Phase 1.
Build a fake me.
Say hello to my metal twin. Okay, walking like a weirdo, but it works.
One cat, one cheese, and one very snack-sized me. You go dance with the cat, I'll date the cheese. Step 1, get noticed. Step 2, run.
Target acquired.
And it's not me this time.
Look at that! Free entertainment!
One cat delivery to the other side of the house.
Cat, busy. Cheese, available. Mouse, very interested.
Climbing the mountain for the legendary cheese. Ladies and gentlemen, the star of tonight's menu. Take some for now, and some for 17 later. Okay, party's over, Can. Speed run the cheese theft.
That cat is definitely chasing the warranty off that robot.
Exit the scene before the cat respawns. You did great, little robot. You get cheese too, a tiny crumb.